Once again, good afternoon to all. Today we will see about deletion operations. In red black trees. Assume that we have a tree like this. Here I want to delete 10, otherwise 20. What I want delete? I want delete node 20. So now how we can delete here? If we delete 20, 30 will be here, right node will be 40. Here I am deleting the node 20. So here I will make as 10. So this can become a red black tree. Similarly, we will see one other case. I am using a tree like this, 30, 20, 40 and 50 will be on right side. Here I want to delete 20. So what will be the tree here? It will be like 30, 40, we have 50. So if you remove the node 20, this is how it looks. You may perform here left operation and then you may think as like this. 40, or 30, and this can become a 50. And one more thing, now I will use two elements in two different rows. I will use as (30, 20, 40). Here having 35, having 50. So this is a red black tree. Now here I want to remove 20. If I want to remove 20, how the tree will be? 30, 40, 35, 50. If you see here, this is not a red black tree because left subtree having the black nodes only one root node. Here we have one. So we need to balance here. So to balance, what we need to do again here? We need to perform rotations. I will perform rotation like this. At that time what will happen? 40 will be a root, left side will be 30, right side will be what? 50. I will make 35 here and I will make 50 here. If you see here means here the elements are same. So this is a red black tree because 0 1 0 1 black nodes and everything is true. This is perfect. Like this, the time whenever you insert some element, whenever you want to delete the element, you need to see after deleting the particular element whether it is a red black tree or not, whether it satisfies red black tree properties or not. If it not satisfy red black tree properties means automatically we need to perform the rotations and we need to make the red black tree operations. And let me see one more case. I am having 20 here, 10 here and 30 here, 25, 35. So this is a red black tree. Why 0 1 black node, 0 1 black node, 0 1 black? All nodes having all paths having same black nodes and red child having 2 black nodes. Perfect. So now I want to remove in this node 10. I want to delete 10. So if you delete 10, how the tree will be? 20, 30, 25, 35. So if you see, observe here means it is not a red black tree. Why it is not a red black tree? The left side path is no black nodes, but right side path having black nodes. So again what we need to perform? Rotations. So if you perform rotations, what will happen? 30 will be root, we will make as a black node, and left node will be 20, we will make as red node, and 35 will be here, and then we will make 25 here. Yes, it is a red black node. Done. We can perform this as this one. This is red black tree. Or I can do one more thing as well. 30 I will make here, 20 I will make here, 35 here, and I can make this also as a red node. This is also a red black tree. Like this. After deleting the elements from a red black tree, we need to know the obtained tree is a red black tree or not. This also a red black tree and this also red black tree. Both are red black tree. You can need to change any one of the form. But this is not red black tree because the paths are different. In this left having only one black node, in the right this path having, see this path having 2 black nodes, this path having 1 black node. Then the red black tree. But that's why we need to perform rotation operations and we can do it. So this is how we will deletion operation in the red black tree.